In this video, I will show you how you can create the basic meeting minutes template, whether you want to use it for yourself or you want to create and sell online as a digital product. Doesn't matter. You will have all the rights to sell online. I am using the Microsoft Word, but if you want to create it in PowerPoint, Google Slides or Google Docs, the method would be the same. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first we are going to give the heading. And then we have to add a table with around 4 rows. Here we are going to write the date, then time, and then we have to write that whether it is an online or offline meeting. We'll just add another column to the right and we'll paste that here. So we'll merge all the columns in the next row. Here we'll write a subject. Again we'll merge all the columns in the next row and also in the next row by pressing the F4, and here we'll write the attendees. And now we are going to hide the outlines of this table. So now we are going to add another table with 3 columns and around 10 rows. We'll add 2 more rows because by default we were unable to add the 10 rows in a one go. Here we are going to write the agendas. We'll distribute the columns equally. Make them center align. Here we are going to write notes. So now we are going to add another table with 4 columns and 8 rows. In the first column we are going to write tasks. This will be our action points. Center align this and reduce the font. Tasks. In the next column we are going to write who is responsible, then what is the due date, and then whether the task is done or not. So for that we are going to add a tick mark, and that we will use this bullet symbol. We are going to center align everything. This column we can reduce the width Similarly, the date column can also be reduced. The in charge, we just need to add the name of the person. That can also have a smaller width. We have space left at the bottom, so we are going to increase the width of the lines. So we are making it 0.4. Similarly, in this table we will make 0.4, and then similarly the last table we are going to increase the size to 0.4. In this case, the last two lines have gone to the next page. So what we are going to do is that we are going to reduce this space, which is relatively more. This can be taken a little towards the top, and the tip is that what you can do is that you can click here and you can reduce the font size of this, and you will see that it is automatically going up. So we are going to reduce the font's width of this table to 0.3, and I think that now our whole table is likely to come within, but it is still not coming. So we have to bring this within the margin because it is going out of the margin. So if you just want the table to look like that only the horizontal lines are inserted, what you can do is that select the table, first make it no borders, and then again go back to these borders and select the bottom border and the top border. So in this way you will only see these rows. Although it is a table, but in the printing you would see that it is a row. We can center align this, make it all cap. And if you want, you can reduce the margin from the top and the bottom also, but I'm just going to keep it as it is, and let me show you the print preview. So we are going to reduce the rows width to 0.3. So we have just added the extra lines, but we have reduced the width of the rows because they were looking a little odd. We'll bring this action point towards the left side, and we just need to now export it as PDF. Give it a name, and then select the file type as PDF and click save. And our PDF document has automatically opened, and as you can see that this is the meeting minutes template which we have created. If you go and check out at Etsy, you would see that people are selling these templates at the rate of $6, $2, $5, $2. So you can also create this digital download or digital product, and you can create your account at Etsy, and you can sell these to generate a passive income. And if you think that you don't have skills to create this digital product, I have an offer for you. I will give the link of this document in the description below. You can buy it from my store, and I will give the commercial rights also, which means that you can sell this template on your own shop at Etsy or at any other store which you might create in any other website. Do subscribe to my channel because I'll keep making these digital product videos in the future also. Thanks for watching.